Alright, so here's my 1990 EX cabin harness, all trimmed up and ready to get thrown in. I guess we'll start right here at the under dash fuse box. A couple of things going to the dash and ignition and map sensor. Things up here we got going up to the let's see, the clock, and it's all the blinkers and windshield wipers, switchers and stuff. Down here I got going back to the the rear harness out the door. Here I got the brakes, the brake master cylinder overflow thing shooting out this way. We brought back the from inside where the rests up there, brought them all back here at the ground location so that can be put on inside the fender well. And then going out over here, I replaced the headlights with some Deutsch connectors, and then got everything D-pinned and sleeved. Looking good up going up the driver's side there. Hanging out back here, I got the windshield wiper motor wire fully extended so that it reaches into the trunk back here. Got the mil-spec wire hanging out over here, as well as the wires that I need to put into the conversion harness mapped out right here. This is the run going to the passenger door. This is the AC, cigarette lighter, clock. Instead of all the ECU stuff, this is all the under dash or under hood fuse box. This guy was crinked, so I had to redo that. This is going to be in the car. It's what the rye wire connects to. It was on the shock tower. This is the windshield wiper motor, which I'm going to extend the wires and the plug inside the car to meet it inside the cabin. It's for a blower motor. And shooting out the other headlight wire. I got the wiper relay and the headlight grounds and all that jazz. On both sides I have a little fender blinker light coming off. That side isn't sleeved yet, but then I got the headlights, the fan, and blinkers and turn signals and stuff. I was able to take quite a bit off of this guy. I got the atmospheric sensor, all the cruise control stuff, the map, and the purge control solenoid, both horn wires. I got the injector wires D-pinned all the way back to the ECU. The top dead center, distributor wires, all the shielded stuff D-pinned back to ECU. This is all the SRS stuff, seatbelt restraint, any of that kind of junk. So I was able to take quite a bit out of here. I'd say it's about 3.5 pounds of wire, but yep, now it's time to throw it in. But that is my tucked 1990 Civic EX cabin harness. Also, shout out to CRX Farm for pulling this out and selling it to me. Appreciate that guy.